Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna share you how can we create a YouTube channel easily, and it is a very easy steps. Watch all the videos carefully, and today I'm gonna answer a lot of questions. How I make my YouTube channel searchable, how I make my YouTube channel eligible for to go live on YouTube, and it is very easy steps. And so please carefully watch all the videos. Now let's get into the video. And first we need to have, if you are using an Android or phone, go to Chrome and make it like 3 dots, then go to here and make it desktop set, then it will be like desktop. And let's get into the video now. First we have to have an account, which is Google account. So we have to sign in here, or let's see on YouTube. Let's say youtube.com or youtube.com. And if you see on YouTube also, it says that sign in, or if you don't have an account, or create an account. So it's very easy step. We have to sign in on here or on here, and I will show you. Both of them are the same. I will show you in here or on that, and we will click on the sign in button, and we will sign in on our account. Or if you don't have an account, we will create an account. If you don't have an account, select this create an account. If you do not have an account, it's easy steps. Or let's see, for myself, then you can create, enter your first name in here and last name in here, your email address in here, password, and confirm it. Then next, and it will have confirmation of phone number, etc. It is a very easy step. And so I have an account, so I will sign in. It is a very easy step. If you don't have an account, create an account in here. It's a very easy step. So we will sign in by now, and we will sign in here. So we enter our Gmail, our account. Then I will create. I will, and you will. And you will enter your email address that you created. Then we will continue, and you will enter your password that you have created the account, and you will enter the password. I enter myself. Then after entering your password, go to next. It's a very easy step, and you will be redirected to YouTube soon. And the web page is now signed. We are signed in. As you see, my account is in here, and I was signed in here, and a lot of videos are in. And our main objective is to create a YouTube channel. So we click in here, this icon, then and go to create a channel. You see, it says create a channel. Then we will create a channel. Then enter your name or your channel name, what you want. If you want something tube or something online, and enter your then enter your channel name that you want, and I will enter, for example, test IQ. I will test IQ, then I will create the channel. If you have a picture to your YouTube channel or for your channel, you can upload it, but first we have to create. Then I am creating now the channel. It's a very easy step. Watch the full video. Yeah, now our channel is created and we can upload videos and etc. As you see, our channel is created now and we can upload videos and etc. It is a very easy step. Then we will go to customize our channel, or by clicking here, or go to YouTube Studio. I will tap on link on the new tab, and our channel is now Test IQ. We can upload videos in here, no videos, and etc. And now we will change a lot of settings. Now be careful and watch the video carefully. After now, then our studio come like this. We are new to the studio, so it will come like this, and we will say it continue. Then it is your summary about your videos, and the dark theme is available. No, we don't want this. Then no, if you have 0 subscribers, because we created not 0 views, watch hours, and we will see a lot of things in here, and our channel is now created. So now we have to eligible our channel, and we have to make our channel searchable and etc. Then but do not forget to like. If you like the video, like the button, or if you like the video, like the button, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe below. Let's get, and we will scroll this up to this, and we will go to settings. In here, settings, then in settings the default unit is USD dollar, and you can change if you want unit. If you want I want USD or US dollar. Then go to channels, and we will, and now it is very carefully. Now we will select our residency or country, and I make it USA because not all country and not for all countries YouTube is eligible. In Africa countries mostly, in my country also it's not eligible YouTube, so we make it eligible countries that like USA, United Kingdom, and there are all several countries, and you can make your own, but I make it United States. Then we will go to feature eligibility. As you see, default features, upload videos, create playlist is enabled, but features that require phone verification, you have to verify this. If you want to custom thumbnails, videos over 15 minutes, live stream to go live, and you have to make eligible in here. So you have to verify your phone number and etc. to have, and verify your phone number like this, and verify your phone number. It's easy steps. Yes, then select your country, and you change your country, and you will verify your code in here. Then, and after verifying your number, and let's go to say save, and it will be saved. Then you can go after eligibling of your after confirming your phone number, then it will. Then let's see if our channel is searchable on YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. Then we will say test IQ. We will say test IQ. Test IQ. Test IQ. There is no our channel. If you are watching, there is no our channel. It is another channel, not our channel. Test IQ. No test IQ. No test IQ. Our channel is not searchable. If you see, our channel is not. We have to make our channel searchable on YouTube. So let's change about settings now. Then if you have any question, ask me on comments. I will answer the questions. Go to settings and channel, then add a keyword. Then you will, in here you will write your channel name, Test IQ. Our channel is Test IQ. Test IQ. Then enter. Then test our channel, enter, and IQ, enter. Now our YouTube channel will be searchable on YouTube, and you can write a keyword that are more popular YouTube channels. Then your channel will be when they are searched, the popular channels, your channel also will come in here, and we will save it. There is an advanced option. I want to review every, and then we will save this. Save. Now our channel will be searchable, and now we have we can see our monetization, and we can go to channel monetization, and then as you see, there is 0 subscribers and 0 public hours, and we have to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hours, so that and after that YouTube will pay us or monetize. Our channel will be monetized, and after monetized you can have an advertisements of YouTube's and etc. Then we can click notify when we are eligible. Then they will send us if you are eligible, and there is customizations, and you can branding, and you can upload pictures, banner images, profile pictures, and etc. to your channel, our video watermarks, and you will go to basic info. Then about your describe about your channel, about what you are doing, about what your videos, describe your channel. Then describe your channel, and clear and contact. You can contact people or add links like others Facebook or etc. accounts, and so you can. Now YouTube channel is created. If you have questions, ask me on comments. Then and YouTube will notify you when you are eligible for monetization, and your dashboard is like this, and YouTube's notification is will be created after 24 hours. Then after 24 hours your channel will be searchable, and you can see comments and etc. Then now your channel is created, eligible, and can be searchable after 24 hours. And thank you for watching all the videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel if you are new to the channel. Thank you for today.